Hi, Stephen Farino from Diamond Northern, here to talk today with Ed Kentz about the new MBC 16B manual rebar bender and cutter. Ed, what can you tell us about this unit?
Well, thanks, Steve. There are lots of manual rebar cutter benders out on the market, and in fact, a manual tool is probably the most popular rebar cutter bender sold in the U.S. and Canada. It was first designed to cut and bend rebar that was size number 3 and number 4, and then on up to number 5. Rebar, as we know, comes in various sizes, normally separated by 1/8 of an inch or a few millimeters. So number 3 rebar is 3/8 of an inch, and number 4 is 1/2 inch, and number 5 is 5/8. And in millimeter size, that would be 10, 13, and 16. So the MBC 16B is designed to bend a rebar up to 16 millimeters or 5/8, same as what most people refer to as a number 5 bar. What makes us a little bit more unique from other people is you can see right off that our tool is mounted on a wood board right out of the box. A lot of people that supply this unit, you have to go find your own board, you got to go find your own fasteners, or sometimes you don't even use a board and then you're fighting it in the mud or the dirt and trying to cut with this thing, and it's not sturdy. And so we felt that if we're going to develop one for this market, a tool like this, that having it ready to go out of the box was the first feature. Secondly, we looked at other units on the market, and we found that they were a little difficult to operate. Some of them said they would cut and bend up to a number 5 bar, but it was very, very difficult. In fact, you needed somebody bigger than both of us together to actually do it. So we decided to change the shape of the blades slightly so that it would cut easier, and then we added length to the handle, so that actually makes it much easier to both cut and bend with our tool. So what's great about this tool is that it's already mounted on the board. It has a lifting hook on the back, so it's easy to pick this tool up and take it wherever you want to go. It only weighs 57 pounds, even with the board. Once you set it where you want it, and you remove the hook in the back, the lifting eye, then it's a matter of just opening it up, and you can place the rebar either in the front or on top, whichever is more convenient. And then, in this case, this is a number 4 bar. A bend piece of rebar. In this case, we have an adjusting dial that most manufacturers don't offer. They just put a single bearing that you would bend around, and it doesn't matter whether you're bending a 3, 4, or 5, that's all you get. Well, when we looked at that, we saw that on a number of these other competitive models, when they bend, they don't bend a true 90 or they don't bend a true 180 because you have to change the center roller to the right diameter in order to get the proper bend. So on here, you've got 3 different settings of 10 millimeter, 13, 16, which equates to either a number 3 bar, a number 4 bar, or a number 5 bar. Then you open it up again, set it back inside, and you can continue. And you get a true 180. So that's this product, Steve. It's a lot easier to use than most. We have a longer handle that's coated, so it's real easy to get a grip on it. It's mounted on a board, and for cutting, bending, number 3, number 4, number 5, up to a 16 millimeter bar, this is a great little tool.
Ed, that's all great. What about the warranty on this model?
Well, on this product, Steve, we offer a 6-month warranty. If anything goes wrong with the product during the first 6 months, we'll replace it at no charge. Now, it doesn't cover the blades because obviously blades are going to be a wear point on this particular product like it is on any manual rebar cutter bender. But if anything happens to the rest of the product, we'll take care of it. And we maintain parts here at our Arizona facility, and you can either get them from us or our distributors across the country will take good care of you, as well as great people like yourself.
Great. Thanks, Ed. If you have any questions about this model or any of the other rebar benders or cutters on our website, give us a call at 888-660-3514 or send us an email at info@diamondnorthern.com. Once again, this is Stephen Farino from Diamond Northern here with Ed Kents. Thanks for watching.